And we turn our attention to event 66, the mixed 12 4x100 metres. In lane 1 we have Caulfield. In lane 2 we have Mentone. In lane 3 we have Doncaster. In lane 4 we have Wangaratta. In lane 5 we have Diamond Valley. In lane 6 we have Box Hill. In lane 7 we have Ballarat. And rounding out the competitors in the mixed 12 4x100 metre final, in lane 8, Camberwell Malvern. And we're underway here in the mixed 12 4x100 metre final as they enter the back straight. All pretty even here between the outside 3 lanes. Coming up to the second change, all clear, and looks like our team from Diamond Valley might have an early lead, and yes, they are starting to stride away from the rest of the competitors there, though we do have the Wangaratta team on their inside. It looks like it's going to come down to a battle between those two teams. And yes, as they come into the front straight, we've got Diamond Valley versus Wangaratta on their inside. Wangaratta just got a few steps in front, but Box Hill is coming down the outside. And it's going to come right down to the end there. Wangaratta, Box Hill, Diamond Valley. Top 3, 54.23.